What's up, champions? Welcome to today's video. As you guys can see in the title and right here, I'm going to be talking about 5 things of what you should do and 5 things that you shouldn't do while selling on Amazon, okay? So these are very important steps, and I just want to make sure that you guys understand these basic steps and principles when you start selling on Amazon. So this is for beginners, or whether you are looking into selling, or whether you are selling currently, and just double check to make sure that you aren't doing these things and then you are doing the things that I'm going to tell you that you need to do. Okay, so the first one is think it's going to be easy. Amazon FBA is not something that just happens overnight. It's not something that requires no effort. So if someone tells you, oh, it's the easiest thing in the world, all you need to do is get a product and put it on Amazon and you're done, that is not true. Yes, once you do the upfront work and you when you get everything in place, yes, then it does become easy, and when you learn everything. But at the very beginning, it takes some time, it takes some patience to literally learn everything that you need to know to sell on Amazon, okay? So at the beginning, it's not easy. But yes, down the road, a couple months, a couple weeks, when you learn everything, it is easy, okay? So now what you need to do is you need to treat this like a business. Yes, it's not going to be easy, and no business is, so you need to treat it like one, because that's what Amazon FBA is. It's a business, and you need to act like it, okay? So the second not to do is rush into things, okay? So first, this kind of goes along with the first. It's not a get quick rich scheme. You need to take your time, learn everything, and if you do that, you will see success. But if you just start rushing into things and you start buying all this product that you don't even know what it is, or if it's good quality, or if it's going to sell, and you just start listing random products, and then you basically get shut down because there's a patent on it, there's restricted products, you need certain barcodes, all this complicated stuff, you're just going to fail if you just jump into it without knowing what you're getting into, okay? So that's why I highly recommend to understand and take your time, okay? So that is what you must do. Take your time with everything that you're going to be doing, to setting up your bank account, your LLC, your Amazon account, finding your product, to listing it, to ordering your next order, okay? So it's going to take some time. It's not going to happen overnight, and I just want you guys to understand that, okay? So the third one is to not get a mentor or take an online course, okay? So it's the little details that are going to get you. So yes, you can learn a lot of things on YouTube. You can basically teach yourself everything that you need to know, but what you're going to be missing out is the little details. And that's what I have realized, is I've tried to learn everything on YouTube and the free content that's out there. You can kind of get a general idea, and yes, you can teach yourself everything if you look on the Amazon seller account and you ask questions to Amazon, to their customer support. You can basically get all your questions answered, but it's hard to know what to ask. And on a course or with a mentor, they have experienced it, they've gone through it, and so they're going to basically give you all the little details that you need to know, okay? So that is a key point, and I would highly recommend to not try to learn yourself. And so that's going to be the third must do, and that is get a mentor or take a course. Learn from someone that has already experienced and already knows what they are doing. It's going to save you money, whether you think so or not, because you might have to pay them $50 an hour, or you might have to take a course that's $100,000, $500,000. You might not think so. You might think that you can teach yourself, but that is not the case, okay? Taking a course or getting a mentor is going to basically show you everything that you need to do, and it's going to, like I said, if you know the right questions, then you can learn everything, but you don't know all the questions, and so that's what a mentor and a course is going to do for you. You're going to learn everything that you need to know, to treat it like a business. You're going to take your time because it's going to take you step by step. The mentor is going to tell you exactly what you need to do. So if you get a mentor and take a course, you're going to be okay, and it's impossible to fail if you have someone holding your hand, basically teaching you everything that you need to do, okay? So that is number 3 of a must do, is get a mentor or take a course. Learn from someone that has already walked the road. All right, so the 4th one of not to do, sell restricted products and sell in gated categories, okay? So this is something that, yes, you can go search on Amazon, teach yourself, but with a course and with a mentor, they're going to literally give it to you on a silver platter and tell you what you can't sell and what you can sell, okay? So if you do sell restricted products and you sell in gated categories, you're going to basically order 1,000 units or 500, even 200, or even 50, and then you're going to get them, and then you're not going to be able to sell them because Amazon restricts that particular product, or it's going to be in a category that is really hard to get ungated, and you're not going to be able to sell in that certain category. And now this might sound like I'm speaking another language, which I understand if you are a beginner, but that's why I recommend to have someone teach you what you need to do in order to start selling, okay? Because things can get complicated. They're super simple, but if it's your first time ever, it's just like a language. You go to Mexico or you go to somewhere where they speak a different language, it just doesn't make sense. But as soon as you start learning the conjugations, the different verbs, and you start piecing things together, it starts making more sense, okay? So please have that in mind, and that is kind of self-explanatory. You need to understand restricted products and gated categories, okay? So that is a must do. The next one is you should just sell whatever product you think is good. No, that is not what you need to do. I know a lot of people that think, oh, I really like this product, I'm going to sell it. But little do you know that it's a super competitive market. The profit margins aren't very good. It's a gated, restricted product. You need to understand the product research, okay? So that is the last one. You need to literally know what is a good product and what is not, okay? If you just start selling random products without knowing what to look for, that's where you're going to lose a lot of money. And like I said, that goes back to getting a mentor or taking an online course, because they're going to show you what is profitable and what is not. So those are just some main key points. So there's 5 things that you shouldn't do and 5 things that you need to do, okay? So please take these simple things into account and apply them. And I promise, if you just follow these simple steps, and if you do all these simple steps, you will not fail. But if you don't, you are going to fail miserably, and you're going to lose a lot of money, and then you're going to have only negative feelings towards Amazon FBA, okay? So I'm just trying to save you guys some time, some money, some headache and hassle, like I try to do with all of my videos, but this is just putting a lot of emphasis that you cannot do this by yourself. You need to ask for help. You need to know what to ask for, and that's why the biggest takeaway with this video is find a mentor. Find someone on Instagram. There's are a ton of successful Amazon sellers that you can reach out to and say, hey, can you mentor me? And they might charge you $20, or they might just do it for free. There's also online courses. There are a bunch of them ranging from $100 to $3,000, okay? And just so that you guys know, I do have my own course, and I'm not going to be offended if you don't take it, but it is a killer deal right now. I'm trying to give everyone the opportunity to be able to know what they need to do. And so that's why I'm offering it for a very, very good price. So click the link in the description below if you guys want to take advantage of that, because for the price, you will not find a better course that gives you more value, that gives you step-by-step of what you need to do to start selling on Amazon, okay? So I'm not trying to promote my course. I'm telling you, whoever it is, whether it's some random that you don't know or some course that's $1,000, I don't care. I just want you guys to learn from someone that has experience, okay? It's going to save you a lot of money, and it's going to help you build that successful Amazon business a little bit faster. Okay, so when I say it's not a get quick rich scheme, yes, by yourself it's going to take a lot longer, but if you take a course, you can do it within months. Okay, so that's why I recommend doing all of these things, and if you do, things are going to work out for you. So I hope you guys found some valuable information in this video. Leave a thumbs up, a comment if you have any questions or suggestions of what videos you want to see, and also click the link for my Amazon Champion course, because I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to create a successful Amazon business. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and we will see you maybe in the course, or we'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.